Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll solve some questions from the section Pathology and Laboratory. Watch this video till the end because it's going to be very helpful for your CPC exam practice. Let's start with the first question. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the first question. A physician orders a complete blood count with automated differential. Which CPT code should be reported? Let us check the codes. Check the code 85025. 85025 is for blood count, complete, automated and automated differential WBC count. 85027 is for blood count, complete, automated and 85018 is for blood count, hemoglobin and 85007 is for blood count, blood smear microscopic examination with manual differential WBC count. In the question they have given physician orders complete blood count with automated differential. Therefore, it is matching with the code 85025 blood count, complete, automated and automated differential. Therefore, the right answer will be option A 85025. The code 85027 will be wrong because that code is not for automated differential. Therefore, eliminate option B and option C 85018 is for blood count hemoglobin. That is not matching with the question. And 85007 is for blood smear microscopic examination. That is also not matching with the question. Next question. A pathologist performs a biopsy of a skin lesion and prepares a single tissue block for microscopic examination. What CPT code should be reported for the pathology service? Let us check the options. These codes are from the surgical pathology. The code is 88307 in option A, which is level 5, 88302 is level 2 and 88304 is level 3 and 88305 is level 4. Now we have to check the specimen given in the question is under which level. In the question they have given pathologist performs biopsy of a skin lesion and prepares a single tissue block for microscopic examination. In the code 88307 level 5, skin is not present in the list. Therefore, we'll eliminate 88307 and under 88302, they have given skin plastic repair. But in the question, there is biopsy of a skin lesion. It is not skin plastic repair. Therefore, eliminate option B 88302. Under 88304, there is skin cyst tag debridement. And under 88305, there is skin other than cyst tag debridement or plastic repair. Therefore, we have to use 88305, which is for skin other than cyst tag debridement or plastic repair. Because in the question they have given pathologist performs a biopsy of a skin lesion. It is not cyst tag debridement or plastic repair. Therefore, the right answer is option D 88305 because it includes a specific list of specimens that it covers, which includes skin biopsy other than debridement, cyst or tag. The other than clause indicates that this code is appropriate for more complex skin lesion biopsies that are not simple cyst or tags. Let us move on to the next question. A provider orders a prostate-specific antigen PSA test for a male patient as a part of cancer screening. What is the correct CPT code? Let us check the codes. Check option A 84439. 84439 is for thyroxine free. That is not matching with the question because in the question they have given PSA test. Therefore, eliminate option A. Coming to the second code 84153. 84153 is for prostate specific antigen total. This code is matching with the question because in the question also they're asking what is the correct CPT code for PSA test. Therefore, the right answer is option B. Now let us check the other two codes also. 81002 is for urinalysis by dipstick or tablet reagent for bilirubin, glucose, hemoglobin, ketones, leukocytes, nitrite, pH, protein, specific gravity, urobilinogen, any number of these constituents, non-automated, without microscopy. That is not matching with the question. And option D 85025 is for blood count, complete, automated and automated differential WBC count. That is also not matching with the question. Let us move on to the next question. A patient undergoes thyroid stimulating hormone TSH test to evaluate thyroid function. What CPT code is appropriate? The code in option A 84443 is for thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. Therefore, that is the appropriate code. Option B 80053 is wrong because that is for comprehensive metabolic panel. So that is not matching with the question, and the code 81025 is for urine pregnancy test by visual color comparison methods. That is also wrong, and the code 80061 is for lipid panel. Eliminate option D. The right answer is option A.